So I want to show you the digital video camera that I got from Amazon. So it looks like this when you receive it with this case. So let's open and look at it. So it looks like this, very handy. You can carry it by your hand, or if you want to take picture or video, you just only put this in your hand so that it will not fall down or flip in your hand. So let's open this. Let's flip this one like that, and let's press the open and off button. So there's a lot of button you can press here to operate it, and there's also the up and down and the left and right button here, the menu button, and there's also the USB cord where you can use your USB to transfer your picture or your videos on the computer, on the laptop, and there's also charger. So in this side is for the battery. You just only press that, and here's the battery. You can take the battery after you use it and just close it like that. And in this area, this is for the SD card, so where you can insert your SD card. So this one has no SD card included, so you need to have one if you want. So like that. So you can flip this like this, or like that, or like that. So it's up to you. And the camera is clear and the video is also clear, so I like it. Very handy to use, very easy to use. You just only put this in your bag. If you want to use it, just put it back in the case and you can carry it with you like this. So it's very light and very handy. So I really like this one. It's a great quality.